Have you forgotten? We can't take friendly fire damage from anything because of how we set everything to. Looks like you're gonna have to suck that shit up until the mission is over.
God fucking damn it. So that is why. How about I just fucking rig this to expert mode then? And I don't give two fucks if I broke the fourth wall.
Okay. Let's all calm the fuck down and just get this mission done and over with. Those who came before us are getting displeased with us because of how we acted lately.
Yeah, of course, you're right. Sorry about all that I instigated in just now. It kills my manliness to say this, but you guys are not as idiotic as I expected.
I hate to agree, but yes, we just need to get going and now, otherwise we're gonna get looked down upon.
Anyways, let's go access this tower shed here. I wonder what this has.
I know there's a smoker right here, but weapon and upgrade wise, I wonder if there's anything helpful.
We'll need to check to find out. Ew! More laser sights? My god, that's something we could use right about now for the end of this.
I'm not sure if I could use some, because as Bruce said before, they're not the best with shotguns ideally. You want a real weapon? Try a fucking cheeseburger launcher or a chain gun or something.
Why not a Dorito gun? I could give my enemies. God damn, the boomer vomit! Clear out, more infected, goddammit!
That was well deserved for both you and Kathy. Eat that medicine and like it, and they will expose you for your actions and hang you from trees.
Oh, I'll fucking hang you from one later.
Not funny. Didn't laugh.
It was meant to be a bad joke anyway, but at least I never explain the shit behind it like others do, because if you do, then it's not funny. Not only is it not funny, it is punishable by hanging from trees. Make one bad joke, it's game over for you. I heard it from an urban tale from the comedy press. Oh, and also, you're too fucking slow, Alex. Guess who got the chain gun now?
I liked grenade launchers better anyway. So what do I care?
Oh, right. That's fair, I suppose. Maybe it could be a fair compromise?
Sure. You use the chain gun. I'll do what's left of my grenade launcher. Now then, let's go and do some extermination from this perimeter.
Here's some ammo just in case, though too bad with what Alex and Tom are carrying, they can't get extra ammo. We can still take some along with weapons though.
Well, ammo is ammo, and weapons are weapons. We can't exactly judge too early, we have our opinions on things after all.
You do you on this one, but in my opinion, special tier weapons are better and they can take out special infected in an instant. One hit, boom. That could be the case for a cheeseburger launcher if it was real, so real it could take out a tank or a witch in a single hit.
Say what you want, but I just clutch killed a spider with a pitchfork as soon as it was climbing up the lighthouse ladder. And of course I didn't need my grenade launcher or a Dorito gun for it.
You boys and your fruit guns, I swear. Anyways, honey, here are some pills.
Thanks. I could keep them for later though. There could be more infected. Ow. Fucking charger, can you not?
Well, at least you're lucky he didn't karma charge you off the cliff, because it would have been terrible if that were to be the case.
Which is why I'm gonna hole up in this windowsill
I
here.
slipped.
I got you, Tom. There's no need to scream now.
Careful now. You really gotta be careful of where you look, where you come from, where you see, etc. etc.
Why did you hang from here to begin with anyhow? Never mind, hold the thought. I can hear a smoker around in some place.
Don't hope to dodge the fucking response. It's not my fault I'm too fucking slippy. What the fuck is it with you?
Do you want me to fucking bitch slap your ass to teach you your proper place?
Try and do that and you get pepper times 10 cheeseburgers. I dare you.
That shit will not be necessary, either of you. Also Molotov out.
What the fuck, Kathy? I was in that impact zone from the...
Fuck off with your damn smoker habits, fucking smoker. Only I get to egg my friends and relatives around. In a trolling way, I mean.
Yeah, fucking right. You just like to do that on me just for the sake of your asshole ego regardless. You do it no matter what.
Says the one who literally tried to shoot me, Bruce and Kathy before. I dare you to call me out like...
That's what you get for attempting to shield yourself from criticism.
Is that really the direction you guys are going for? Arguing during a fucking... What the hell? Did I just see a tank team kill a hunter to save Tom?
Oh, shit, yes! I just saw that! My gosh, that tank's the real stupid one!
Eh? Where did that even take place in? You're gonna have to tell me.
We will later. Right now we need to carry some gas cans around for the generator. Damn, who the fuck knew?
I just got fucking karma-jockeyed. What the fuck?
Good. You fucking deserved it for your heinous sins. I bet Tim Cook realizes his fucking mistake for raising narcissistic bitches like yourself and for watching fucking cartoons like the baby he is.
I don't recall him ever having watched cartoons before, but so what if he did? You can't even punish someone for breathing or for that, either.
Yes, I fucking can. And I say if you idiots don't help me out with the bummer fucking vomit, you're all getting fired with no cheeseburgers or any other food.
Jesus fucking Christ, Tom. You're such a fucking nutcase. Just give it up and admit your inferiority already. Your tough guy shit is not your strong suit.
You guys are fucking lucky we managed to survive like this while we were all talking shit. So I bet something else is gonna happen, so you best get your asses ready for that.
That's what she said. But Lord oh Lord, I couldn't even see shit. Don't even bother laughing.
Sorry, did you say something? Oh yeah, that's right. Tank incoming. Time to fucking end this one shotgun Alex style. Since I'm out of grenades anyway.
I'm way ahead of you there. And just this once, I'm gonna ignore what you Goddamn tank rubble.
Apparently the tank's dead now. So, does anyone know what's next?
We gotta keep moving. I can feel that rescue's on its way once more. And now I can go back to doing what I love with Honey Bunch Alex, at least for now.
We can do that later, honey. For now, we gotta get everybody to the boat. Run, 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 run.
We along with Kathy are here. Come on, Bruce. Hurry. Hurry, 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 hurry.
I'm coming, guys. Slow the fuck down and wait for me.
Come on, Bruce. You're almost there. Come on, come on, come on.
Yes. Bruce is here now. We got everyone. Yes, 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 what? We did it, guys. Woo. Now we completed the Left 4 Dead 1 portion of everything so far.
I say we party with more cheeseburgers on the boat. Yes. And of course, Alex's Doritos too.
That we could compromise for. Well folks, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more episodes like this one and subscribe for them in the future if you've enjoyed them and haven't done so. This is Mac Alex, signing off.
Along with Mac Bruce.
Mac Taffy.
And Mac Tom. See you guys for more fun sometime after this party we're having.